And what these are a set of fishing gloves, whether they're full finger gloves, but they do have little adjustments on the end. You can see these are the Pro full finger gloves. They came in this little package. I did take them out and try them on here. They were in that little wrap right there. You can see they're SPF50, so it protects your hands from sun and sun's rays. It's breathable, nylon, spandex, dries very quickly. It stretches, gives you a nice. When I first seen them, I didn't think they would fit, but after putting them on, they felt really good. It's got microfiber palm grips there, pull tabs, extended cuffs. You know what? Enough about that. Let's just open them up. They had this little separator pad in there. So you get the gloves there. You get this little thing right here, just kind of like a little thing from KastKing, putting that aside. I went ahead and got them in a lighter color. I like my colors to be kind of the color of the sky because, believe it or not, fish can actually see colors, and they could see movement of colors up there. So this kind of helps me blend in a little more. I know you might think that I might be making that up, but who knows? Maybe I am. But let's check this out. So looking over the glove itself. So you see they don't look very big when I take them out, but they actually fit very well. They have the coating on the inside right there. They have this grippy material. I don't know if you can. That's like a grip top rubberized material. The fingers open up, and actually let me just slide one on here. Nice pull tab. You got a pull tab right there. They're high on the cuffs, so they go up really high like that. And then to actually, if I want to like tie off a hook, because obviously trying to tie a hook with a set of gloves is going to be tough. If you want to tie off a hook, you just pull those up, and there you go. You can tie off a hook right there. Very impressive. These things feel very well made, by the way. And then when you're holding a rod, it just protects all of the areas where the rod would be like sitting in your hands. So that works out extremely well. This is something I'm going to be using on all of my fishing trips going forward. These feel great, and you know, keeps the back of your hands from getting sunburnt, because if you're like me, your hands get way too much sun. But yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the KastKing, Pro gauntlet gloves. See you all in the next video.